Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x18 I-beam equipment trailer. At the front we do have a heavy-duty jack, the hitch, safety chains, and breakaway cables. This equipment trailer does come with a sturdy I-beam frame. There's a front chain basket as well as the breakaway box. This trailer does have pressure treated wood flooring, a step up, D-rings, and tie down points along the side of your trailer. There's a front side passenger tire mount. This trailer has heavy duty fenders. This equipment trailer is a dovetail and has 5-foot stand-up ramps. This equipment trailer also has LED brake lights. The stand-up ramps are secured with an arm and pin lock. This trailer does have two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch rims and tires. There's a powder-coated finish to reduce against weather and wear. Once again, this is a 7x18 I-beam equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.